Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how Ada can quickly remove noise from any datasets, because inevitably when you're taking automated readings the data isn't always smooth for various reasons. So in this example I have loaded in 3 different datasets, and as you can see, one of them has a massive outlier, which means I can't look at the other graphs. So to quickly fix this problem, you go into the Data tab here, and you've got 2 options with outliers. You can either select to auto remove the outliers, or you can decide arrange. So if I just, for example, use the auto remove outliers and replot, you can see that massive one at optical density of 70 is gone. But then that's great, and so that's probably what I would just do in this scenario. But if I wanted to, say, remove all outliers above 1 and remove all below 0, and I can unselect this and plot again, you can see, because obviously this growth curve actually did go above 1, I've just cut all of them off. So it just depends what you want to do, really. I think the auto remove outlier function is pretty good, so I'm going to keep that. So great, I've removed my outliers, but it's still not that nice seeing noise like this. So there's 2 ways I can smooth these curves. Either I can go back to my Data tab and just select the Data Smoothing On Off function. So this uses an algorithm which was developed by Savitsky-Golay. And you can review the paper where they came up with this algorithm on the link in the video below. And here you can specify the different parameters used in this algorithm to smooth your data, but Ada just defaults uses the one they suggest. So you just go to your Data tab, select Data Smoothing, go back to plotting, click Plot, and you can see the noise has been smoothed out. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can not use that one and instead tell Ada to just show the optical density readings over an averaged time window. So for example, if I select 10, Ada will look at my optical density readings over the 10 hours and show what they were, and obviously show the error bars using standard deviation. Again, if I just told it to read over every five hours, it would do that. And if I want to do this over days or seconds instead, I would just need to go to my axis here, my x-axis, and say I want to do it in minutes. And then when I click this is now going to do it every 5 minutes, which doesn't look great, so I don't recommend doing that because the noise hasn't quite gone away. So yes, that's how I do it. Personally, when I'm just using individual data sets, so these aren't in replicates, I prefer to use the data smoothing algorithm because that just seems more reliable. And although if you do really prefer to just show it in the previous way I've just shown, I'm going to go back to hours, go back to 10. If you want to change from standard deviation to show standard error instead, that is possible by clicking the Stats tab and clicking standard error. There you go. I hope that was useful to show you how you can remove noise from your datasets.